Hello guys, David here. Today I have a shattering secret, not really, but it's just Smash Bros. Secret. I actually just noticed this today and I thought I would make a video of it because of how weird it is. Nintendo has nothing on Valve or anything. But for some reason, you can hear my Smash Bros in the background, but you can. I have my gamepad right here. So, when you do Wario slide taunt, it actually sounds like it's saying GABEN. Take a listen. See? It sounds like GABEN. It's awkward. And I think Nintendo officially hates Valve, cause look what he does. The shaking of my butt. Oh my god, 0999. Totally not training mode. It is. I just made Wario eat a blast box and then eat like 9. Made him eat one bottle, fairy in a bottle. Then I made him eat the blast box, then 3 useless things that only heal 1 HP. So what I did is I set it onto training. So this is how you do it. You set things to training mode, set the HP to 999 for both characters, and then use 1 fairy bottle, then eat a blast box. Then use Wario to eat 3 things that, or any amount, that will bring you back to a nice cool multiple of 100 in your percentage. Then the hundreds number grabs the amount of fairy bottles of that number, then make Wario challenge down, and Wario should be at 0, but the other one, supposedly the computer, will be at 999%, but you won't. It's just a little trick, and also the Gaben thing is actually pretty funny. Swear to God, some point in my life, I'm just going to be like, oh, I haven't picked this up in like a long time. Oh well, let's fan this. That is going to be far in the future. So yeah, I hope you like that glitch slash bug slash Easter egg thing I found. So I'm still looking for softwares. If you guys know any, just description of this video or the other video. And also, I always read your comments, so comments are welcome. Liking, I don't even know what it does. Probably just makes my video more watched, and yeah, I'm not gonna explain this on camera. You didn't hear that. So whatever, just click the annotation like right about here-ish. Just click there, subscribe. If I did not put the annotation in, type a comment down below saying, David, you didn't put the annotation in, you're stupid. Or something like that. You can put whatever. David, you're stupid, put the annotation in. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video after I go. The annotation over here should be set up when I know like how to get the like confirmed subscription thing. Yeah. So that's probably going to be later than I upload this. So, see you guys. Stay cool. See you in the next video.